Why don't we kick things off with talking about some of the atypical symptoms of migraine? A lot of people still think that migraine comes with head pain, but that's not necessarily the case. So could you talk about that a little bit?
Oh, absolutely. So, we always think about migraine as headache, right? And then after the headache, we think about, the light sensitivity, noise sensitivity, nausea, and the visual aura, of course. But migraine, like you said, there are many, many, many different symptoms that can come with migraine. Of course, vertigo, dizziness, and vestibular migraine, unsteadiness, and of course, under the umbrella of vertigo, you have so many different sensations. You can have people who experience spinning, rocking, swaying, tumbling, floating sensations. You can have, spontaneous symptoms, meaning they just happen, and some that are triggered by head movement, positional changes. You can have symptoms that are provoked by visual types of stimuli. Of course, then you have the more unusual type of symptoms. Now, I think we are beginning to recognize some ear symptoms as well. So tinnitus is one, ear pressure, ear pain. You have some unusual symptoms too, like little weird little bubbling sensations in the ear. Some people feel as if there's a little swelling in the ear. I've heard some people even say that there's like fluid coming out of the ear during migraine attacks, which we don't know what it is, but I'm hearing it in some of my patients. We're seeing, autonomic type of symptoms too. So some people get more teary-eyed. Some even get ptosis, where the eyelid starts to droop. Runny nose can happen. Dry mouth can happen. I have migraine myself. So, when I have my migraine, I yawn a lot when I get dry mouth. And that, to me, shows that the migraine is starting versus, say, a tension headache. You have other types of visual changes too. So, blurry vision, very common in migraine attack, and visual snow, where you see little pixels in your vision. Some people get rather unusual visual type of symptoms like palinopsia, where you see multiple images, or trailing. After you look at something, you look away, you see a trail of it behind it. Some people may even have, Alice in Wonderland type of symptoms visually, where things appear larger, smaller, closer, further away. Things can appear split in half. Things can change color. So tons of different symptoms can occur in migraine.